Okay, this is everyone please listen to me. Okay. 71 move. Who is 71? 71 team. Please tell me gateway for this machine. For pc1 gateway. Last time I taught you about the address, subnet mask, and gateway, right? So you have to understand the basic knowledge. And what is the address, what is subnet mask, and what is gateway? Okay? Okay. Tell me the gateway.
What's gateway?
For pc1.
Gateway is
Gateway is a door to
R1.
outdoor. To go out. Okay?
Like
Outdoor.
to go out.
Outdoor.
So to go R1.
To go out like this door.
The left near
Not
R1.
another door. Not another person door.
Any gateway for this. Any gateway for this. เข้าใจไหม
เดี๋ยวนะ then R1 is gateway ใช่ไหม
R1 is like it's router. And to go to router,
No,
you
no,
go
no.
through
Gateway, no,
okay?
subnet mask.
Gateway, any.
When you config, you never config the
Gateway
subnet mask, right?
is
That's why
put in or put out.
I have to do that really with
Both.
Just think that
Yeah.
R1 is a room.
So
Okay,
one
and
number,
here's one door,
one two,
one door, and here's
one
another
AC.
door. Like this one is
One.
door. So like
And-
this computer, PC1, PC2, will go through this gateway.
and one. Okay. For this one, everyone shooting and sign models and the understand gateway. Okay, 192 or 1S, 6S, 1. Sorry, I did wrong, right? You see this network ID. What is your this network ID? Network ID is 192, 168, 2 and 0, right?
You have
And this what is network ID?
oh,
What is network ID? Tell me the network ID of this PC. Network, how we can calculate network ID? How we can calculate network ID? How we calculate network ID? No, how to calculate? Not what is the network ID. How to calculate network ID? If you don't understand how to calculate network ID, that means you don't pass the basic knowledge of class 1, class 2, class 3. IP address and subnet mask, right? And mask. Okay? So for this PT1, you mean 192, 168, 32, right? And with what is subnet mask for this machine? 255. 255. Good. Go ahead, go, next. Go. 0. And what is the network ID? Any number and with 1, we get that number, right? Any number and with 0, we get 0, right? You remember that? So that made it easy. Okay, what? No, you have to think by yourself. Don't listen to this. Think by yourself. Okay? Okay, go ahead. 168, right? Go ahead. You let me speaking ไปอะไรก็ตาม and กับ 1 ได้ตัวนั้นโอเคไหมครับอะไรออฟก็ตาม n กับศูนย์ได้ศูนย์จำแค่นี้โอเคปะโอเคโอเคโอเค
Can you
โอ
count?
เคโอเคโอเคดูไฟไฟ
To count mine?
ดูไฟไฟนี่เดี๋ยวthis is one number right so if we
Forgot this part already.
we translate to binary number we get
Very
one one
easy
one
that. Go.
Yeah.
and one one
What
one
about this?
So haha is one. If you
you
have
see
one,
okay that means two five five
then it's also one.
Each one, right?
64. This one is not one.
Okay, go.
It's this one. So you put this one as binary and this one is
no no
binary.
no let me ask someone think
You
by
have one.
yourself
One. You have one.
ใช่ใช่ใช่think by yourselfนั่นน่ะนั่นน่ะ
Yeah.
นั่นน่ะ so
So
you
zero.
have to wait for
If you have zero, you keep zero.
you know that the first thing you have to do you have to think okay go ahead okay
ทำไมแก
let me
zero
speak inside
What?
อะไรก็ตาม n กับหนึ่งได้ตัวนั้นโอเคไหม
If you have zero,
Sám.
if you have at least one
n
zero,
กับ
you
สอง
keep
ห้า
zero.
คือ n กับหนึ่งถูกไหมมันต้องได้ไหน
How to call calculate?
ไม่ต้องหันดูเพื่อนพี่
It's
เอง
network
เอาคนฟังก่อน
This one
อะไร
is
ก็ตาม
mask,
n กับหนึ่ง
and
ได้ตัวนั้น
this one is
อะไรก็ตาม
IP address. Network ID is IP address and mask.
พูดใหม่อะไรก็ตาม n กับหนึ่งได้ตัวนั้นเอาใหม่โอ้โหคุณการคุณไม่เดี๋ยวมี the network ID the first one 192 and with 255 what you get 192 okay good let's go 168 let's go yeah that's good okay so this one idea of R1 and R1 interface interface 50/1 right and pc2 network are different right so that means I did draw documents okay you understand that so I have to change this one to 3 right and what is the network ID tell me again change to 3 okay good so the network ID is the same right now okay so what is the gateway of this PC 3 3 point no gateway gateway is the door to go out so right now you are PC2 right when you want to go out you have to pass this IP address right so gateway have to be 1 so anyone don't understand please ask IP address tìm chưa đặt IP address sắp xếp mạng để gateway yeah. This is basic knowledge you have to understand okay Number 10. Stand up, please. Number 10. Number 10. Who?
หลิวเปล่า
Number 10. None. Okay. Stand up, please. Okay.
Cause I'm number 9.
I'm number 9.
Okay, this
Number nine,
tell
number
me how to config PC1. PC1. Yes, or PC1. Yeah, IP subnet mask and gateway. You have to say IP space 192.168.2 slash 24, right? And space, okay, 192.168. Okay, that's correct. Show ID. Yeah. Okay. Correct. Check. Check. Can you see, right? Okay. Okay. Go to other one. Okay. Tell me. Point 3.2 slash. Yeah. Gateway. 192.168.3.1. Okay, good. Okay, Joe IP. We check it. Correct or not? Okay, correct. Okay. Okay, please sit down. Okay, and let's talk about it.
Ôi anh chân nằm yên.
Who is away?
Accept
Okay,
now.
Nanam.
Just escape. Oh yes, it's good.
Okay. Now to config the DIN interface, huh? DIN interface, okay? 10/0. Okay. Okay, config terminal, okay? And go to interface, right? Okay, see me. Hey, see in the screen. Go to interface, right? And file, the name of the file, F and 0/0, right? Okay. And IP, if you don't remember, you question, right? Okay, you can remember something? Yeah, you can remember, right? Like rescue and red, right? Okay, if you cannot remember, you question now. Okay, tell me. IP address 15992 168 1. Okay, and if you not remember, question mark. Okay, subnet mask. What is subnet mask? 255. 255. Good. 255. Okay, good. Okay, and no chair down. No chair down. Right? Remember, we have to check it down. No, it means not carry down. Okay? Okay, and go to other interface. You press arrow key, finger, right? Press arrow key, and change to 1. Okay? And press arrow key again. To go this one and move to this IP address to forward, right? Okay? Then correct. And don't forget no share. Okay? That's it. And okay, control set. If I want to save, copy, running, right? To start. Okay? This is save. Okay. You remember that right now? Okay. You have to tell me how to configure this machine. Now. R1, R2. Okay. Okay, go. Config. Tell me now. Interface. F. Fast. Okay. IP. Address. Okay, good. Tell me. 192. 168. two again or one? 2.1 or 2.2? What we are doing now? You see the R2, right? R2, that means you have to look at R2, right? Not R1, we finished already. What is number?
1.
2.2, right? Because this interface, right?
Hmm?
Right? Okay, 2.2. And if you don't remember, question mark, okay? Tell me. 2.5. 0. And no change down. Okay? And we press arrow key to configure other interface. Another interface. Okay? And go to this one and change this one to Y3, Y1. Okay, and one pocket to no change that. Okay, that's it, right? Okay, okay. If I want to see show the IP interface, brief, right? VR. Okay, you can get IP port interface and correctly and the physical layer up and protocol up. Okay, don't shut down. Okay. Okay, save copy. Running. To start. Okay. Okay, and don't forget. If I don't forget to save, right? You have to save. And for other machines like this one, you have to save. Okay? Okay, sit down. Okay, right now I configure all the device. Okay, so let me ask about 13, 1, 3, 13, okay. After we configure all
Key for
interface
win the lottery treasure.
now what can I communicate from pc1 to pc2 right now? Can I communicate now? How to take the communication between pc1 and pc3? How to take? Or to control and what else? Okay, good. Ping. Good. Go ahead. Once again. Okay, go ahead. It work or not? Read it. Before under, read it. I try again. I read it. Read and translate. It work or not? What indentation means? Work or not? No. Unreachable it means not cannot communicate to other host, right? Host it means any label device. Host it means like a computer, PC, smartphone, TV, air conditioner, everything. Yeah, it's called host. Okay. So why? Why cannot work? Okay. Why not work? Okay, so let's. Okay, if you are R1, okay, you are R1. What you know in R1? What network you know? Okay. What network ID?
I play 99 with
And
my
you say network ID.
younger sister.
Oh.
She helped me to
What network
survive
ID you
until
know?
37 days.
Oh my god.
Next time, Alena, go to join her, man.
Play together like.
You know what her is? What her is?
Okay.
How
let-
old is she?
She's like
Ah,
me.
what is network ID?
My younger sister.
Yeah.
I have to.
Oh, you mean like younger?
This one, what is network ID?
12?
This one, what is network ID?
Yes.
This one, what is network ID? Okay. Left hand side.
Gen Alpha.
Yes,
Okay.
Gen Alpha.
The network ID. Quick. One
I
nine
know
two.
how. I don't know how many I die, but she killed me and play it again. And it's not only me and his brother, youngest brother also.
Okay.
Yes, he died and next is me.
Bingo Gen Alpha.
This one.
Play with Alpha. Alpha help me na.
Oh my god.
Another one.
Gen Alpha expert in Roblox.
Okay, everyone ready? How to calculate the network ID?
They was born for years.
How many network ID we have now? 3. Okay, good. And can you answer this? One by zero and you know already? How one know the network ID? How one know the network ID? How? Because I config this interface, right? Do you remember? I config this interface. If R1 calculate from this IP and with some network this one, he know the network ID of this one, and it know the network ID of this one. You understand that? Okay. You understand? Everyone can answer this question, right? Anyone have any questions? And how about if you are to? No, you sit down. Number 2. Okay, yeah, right? Yes. The answer this question. What the network ID you know if you are to? C.0. Another one? 2.0. This why R1 R2 no?
So I think R2 is connecting to the
This because I config this one, right? And I config this one, I tell it, right? I tell it so it can calculate from this parameter, right? Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Ayah, right? Ayah. Okay, Ayah. If see, last time I tested from pc1 to pc2, it cannot communicate, right? Okay, why? When I ping this IP, right? So when go to this R1, you see? Now when go to
Do you have
R1, right? R1
R2.
know only this network and this network.
R2.
It doesn't
Do you
know this
have?
one. So it doesn't know how to forward packet.
He add or
R1 will drop the packet.
But it's
You
another.
understand that? You understand that? Okay. Like okay, okay. Okay, please sit down, please sit down. Okay, another command we have to know is show IP root. Then show IP root, you see IP root. And I ask you, say, I want to know only two networks, right? This one and this one. Each directly connected to the interface. Okay? And line R2. See R2. Show IP root. Okay? So we R2 know only two networks. Okay? This one child answer, right? 2.0 and 3.0, right? Okay, you understand that? So you see, if everyone please listen to me and don't do any hey, you listen to me, hey, you listen to me. Otherwise you don't understand. Listen to me, don't do anything else. Okay? Otherwise you cannot follow us. Okay? Mấy thằng nàyฟังอาจารย์นั่นคือเรียนตามไม่ทัน Please listen to me first. Otherwise you cannot follow me. Follow us. Okay? If you don't understand, we answer. We ask. Okay? So let's see this one. If from pc1 ping 192.168.C2. What is the data again, right? What is that data again, right? 192.168.4.2. Okay? Like when you go to Phuket, you know Phuket, right? Everyone. What is your destination? Phuket, right? Okay. If you go to the when station, you know when station, right? Everyone know when station, so I know, right? Yeah. Okay. Which direction you have to select? Go to Rayong or go to Bangkok? Go to Bangkok, right? If you go to Rayong, you go to Cambodia. Okay, you cannot go to Phuket. You know Phuket, right? Phuket is the south of Thailand. Okay. The route line the same thing. Okay, and so if we see this route, you see R1. This is root, right? Root inside center is root, right? So which one you should select? You have to compare this, right? This one you compare to this one is the same or not? Before you compare, you have to find the network ID. Is the same or not? For the first line, is the same? No, right? So for the second line, the same thing. You find network. destination network ID, and you get the same volume, and you compare it in the same or not? No. So you know how to go now? No, you have to drop the packet because you have no route to go. You go home, you back home. You cannot go anywhere. Okay? Okay. You understand it? Okay. If I want to let this one go, I have to add another route, or you have to create another route. I add another route. Okay. What route I have to add? What network is this network is right? Okay. And if you have a prefix or something like right? Okay. And you have this one. Many things you can add the interface or forward router address. For router address is like a gateway. You see, we have to add forward address. So right now we in R1, right? So if we want to go this network, we have to go to this, right? So this network is the forward router address. Okay? Understand that? Okay, so okay. For this line, anyone have any question? This one is add a new route. This is a new route, right? And this tell the network ID and something match. And this one the forwarding router. Okay, you understand that? Okay. So okay, I add already. So I went to this one. And I show IP route again. So right now I get 3 routes. I come back to this. So when they mention this one, right? It compare, it do the same thing. Compare this one, it's not the same, right? Compare this one, not the same. Compare this one. The same, right? So this packet should forward to this IP address. Okay, it means this router forward to this, and the responsibility of this router to next or to root more. Okay? Okay, go to this. Okay. Okay, this one for R2, right? R2. Okay, from PC1 to R1, R1 sent to PC R2 already, right? R2 have to find the route to go. Okay, so from the two the same thing. This one okay, this one compare come to R2 already, right? R2 compare to this, it form or not? It's the same or not? No. Compare to this one, the same, right? The same, right? So it means this R2 forward the traffic to this. So from PC1 to R1 to R2 and to PC2 already. Okay, right? So see and see the result. What do you think if I enter? It's success or not? Who think success? Show your hand. Who think not success? Show your hand. Okay, let's try. It's success or not? The answer different, right? From the first one, right? And the second one, right? After we add the root for R1 and R2, R1 and the result different, but however, it's not subtracted yet. Because it can go from this to this, but you have to see the go back or come back. Okay, when we think, we have to go and back, go and back. If can go and not can back, it not work, it not success. Okay, try again. Okay, let's check this one. Shipping the reply. Reply it means the packet come back from PC2 to PC1. Okay? So destination IP, what is destination IP address? Destination IP address. Anyone tell me? 192 168 1. You see this one. Okay, from this back to this, it means 1.2, right? Okay? Okay, so from this, it pass through R2. This one R2, right? The root of R2 this one, right? So when the R2 calculate how to root the packet, see this one. When you add and right, the R1 has to calculate the network ID of destination and compare to the root. This one is the same or not? No, this one the same or not? No. What the R2 have to do? Drop the packet. Because it doesn't know how to go. It drop packet. So that's why it cannot back from PC2 to PC1. Okay, what should I do? What should I do? Next, to make the communication between PC1 and PC2 something. I have to add the root to PC2, right? One more root. No, R2, not PC2, R2. Okay? So I go to terminal. IP root. What network I have to have? 1.0 volt. And subnet mask the same, right?
1.0.
And other one I have to add is forward router address. Right now we are in R2, right? So we want to go to the network. We have to go to this, right? So the forward IP address have to be this IP. Okay? Okay, everyone get? Okay? So everyone get one IP root and this network ID, subnet mask get. Anyone have any question? Have any questions? Ask. Please ask. Okay. Okay. I'm ready, so I go to PC1 again. Okay. What do you think? Should success or not? If I change from PC1 to PC2, it should be success or not success? Should be? Anyone think it should be success? Show your hand. Okay. Not success, show your hand. Okay. Okay, it's success. The first package is not success because of the AR2. ARP. For the first packet, I will tell you later now why only the first one or first two packets are subject. So after that is subject because of ARP patch table. I will teach you again later about the ARP. ARP is a protocol in layer 2. Okay? You understand? So in your job to do. Okay. Here is job number 4. Try to configure the network like this. The first thing you draw the network ID and then network topology. After that you do document. After that you configure the device. Okay? Go. Okay, job number 4. You can submit later and you have time to do later. Don't worry about your previous work. Okay, so have you read network topology? You can see the router? How many router there? Okay. This is in the real internet of things like this. So you can it's different from the network topology in the building or in the office. So this one you have one router here, wireless router, right? And you have another router here, and you have another router here. So you have 3 routers in the network topology. You see? So okay, let's see the okay. We have someone to share. Give it. Who is 11? Who is number 11?
I need to do it again.
Please stand up. And everyone listen to me. Okay, and watch this one. What is the slide? Don't watch your computer. Okay? Otherwise you don't understand. Okay. Okay, listen. Can you tell me the protocol stack of this server? Protocol text. Okay. If you don't remember anything, you go to Google. Actually, I thought you already, right? If you don't remember, okay. Can you remember something? Yeah, can you remember something? Okay, can you remember something? Okay, protocol stack like this, right? Like this, yeah? I taught you already. Okay, can you draw? Yeah. Layer 7. What is protocol? Can you remember some protocols? Go to Google and Google protocol stack, and you can see L7 or layer 7. Can you see that? Okay, quick, that quick. Okay? Tell me one protocol, 2 protocol. Read it. Yeah, louder. Put them down. No, name of protocol, not name of the layer. Name of protocol. When you search when you Google protocol stack, it will have a lot of image. You search in image, you can see. And yeah. Actually, if you want back to my slide, you can remember like this, right? Yeah, this one, right? So, This is layer 7, right? Layer 4, layer 3, and layer 1, layer 2. Okay, tell me. Can read it, can read it. You go to this one and you type protocol stack, okay? You type all of it, right? Okay, and you see the picture. Okay, you see the picture and you see the protocol, right? You see the protocol, right? You see it, yeah. Then you see the protocol. Have a look on protocol layer. Okay. For example, this one. Okay. You have to remember something I taught, and you can go to this one and you can have a look. Okay. For example, when you go to this, you can see layer HTTP, see HTTP, TCP, and IP, something like that. Oh, okay. If you lazy to find, you take this photo and remember that. Okay, this okay, let me. Okay, this one. Just take it. This live real thing when we want to see deep or you want to see voice president, you have to know who, right? And you can go to him and talk with him or cooperate with him, something like that. Okay, you have to know. When you learn in the networking or in the communication, you have to know that. Okay, you take the deep photo already, right? Okay, tell me one from layer, layer 7. Okay, layer recording protocol. Louder. HTTP, right? Okay, you have to put talk louder because you have a master, so have to talk louder and more. HTTPS. Okay, layer 4. TCP or UDP, right? Okay, and layer 3. IPv4 or v6, right? Layer 1 and layer 2. Layer 1 and layer 2, you will see Ethernet, right? Wi-Fi, WiMAX, cellular, right? In this case, we have cable like this one. We have cable like this one. It means this one Ethernet. Okay, you get that? Everyone get that? Okay. Okay. So go back to this one. Can you write? Tell me the protocol text for rectifier. The same thing. Not different. Different only the layer 1, layer 2, other certain things. Okay, tell me. Layer 7. Okay, this for web browsing, right? For web browsing, it's 2 protocols. Okay, layer 4. TCP or UDP. Okay. And layer 3. IPv4 or v6 or IPv4. Okay, layer this is the IPv4 the different for this one. This one layer 2 and layer 1. You see what the rectifier I wrote number 1 or number 2. Number 1, right? This one number 1, this one number 2, okay? Number 1 have internet connection. Okay, this one internet connection. And it also have Wi-Fi to communicate to router. So it will have two interface. In the left hand side is Wi-Fi, and the right hand side is Ethernet. Everyone follow that? Okay? Everyone follow that, right? Okay. Okay, you sit down. Okay. Number 18, 16. Okay. Can you draw the number property of? Can you take the photo first? Everyone, please take the photo. So when I submit the slide, you can have a look. Because have the whole space to write. Okay, everyone ready enough? Okay, or everyone can remember. If you can remember, it's good. Something to say. Okay. Okay, for pi number 2, right? Pi number 2 is this one, right? Number 2. Okay? Can you tell me the protocol stack? Layer 7, layer 4,
What
layer
is this?
3, layer 2, and layer 1. Okay, tell me layer 3.
Listen.
The same.
Girl, protocol stack. You see?
HTTP,
HTTPS.
HTTPS, right? Okay, layer 4. TCP or UDP. Layer 3. IPv4, layer 1. Okay, come have a look in this image. You see this one, that one can communicate Ethernet, right? And this one, it can also communicate use Wi-Fi as well with the GoPro. Okay? So the layer 1 and layer 2 is the left hand side is Ethernet and the right hand side is Wi-Fi. Okay? You remember that, everyone? Okay. Okay, another one, wireless router. Can you draw wireless router? Can you tell me the layer 4, layer 7, layer 4, protocol stack, and layer 3, and layer 2 and 1. Okay. Layer 7, the same, right? HTTPS, layer 4, UDP or TCP, right? And HTTP some more. Okay. And layer 4 IPv4 and layer 1 how many interface? You see how many interface for the router? See the picture. How many? 1 or 2? Huh? For right hand side, it use Ethernet, right? For left hand side, it use Wi-Fi. So it means it has 2 interface. Okay? So this one Wi-Fi, this one Ethernet. Okay, everyone get it? Okay. Okay, please sit down.
Oi.
Okay, that's enough, please. Okay, how many networks are there? How many networks are there
Networks.
in the picture? I go back to this one, go to this one. I release this one.
This one is have 2, right? 2 networks.
3. 3.
Okay. See this network. Okay. How many network?
3.
How many? Speak loudly. Louder.
We can speak.
3. Okay. Good. 3. Right. So you see between router, this one network. This one network. This one network. Okay. You understand that? If everyone listen to me. If I insert switch here in the middle and I connect middle, how many networks?
4.
Only 3. Only 3 the same. Because this still the same. when you see the network, you have to on the router. Okay, router in the middle and left hand side and right hand side, number of routers. Okay, you understand that? Now to count the network. Okay, the number of networks go back to this one. How many in networks?
Also three.
Three. Which one?
Yeah.
This Wi-Fi interface one.
One.
Okay, and this internet another one, right? And this Wi-Fi another one network, right? Okay, you understand that? Okay. And this in the internet how many network?
อะไรนะครับ
In the internet
in the internet
how many networks? Internet, the internet. Yeah. I don't know, many, a lot, 1 million, or more than 1 million. Okay? That, okay? Okay, sit down.
Bye. Angela, you think now if the random
Okay,
question a little
how many
bit
network
would be possible you
in our network, right?
maybe
Our network,
possible
yeah.
you next like that.
How many networks?
You think now?
Speak. 3, right? You get that, right? Okay. So, this one network, Wi-Fi, and this another one network, Internet. This another one network, Wi-Fi. Okay? 3 networks. This điều放cái đàn vào cái nào. Listen to me and I have time to later. Otherwise you cannot follow us. Okay? Okay. Okay, so can you assign again to that to the network? Okay, let's start from it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Can anyone tell me the Wi-Fi interface? Like the address of Wi-Fi interface of Rabbit Path? What number? Can you tell me? Because when I have to start from GoPro. Because when you buy GoPro, you cannot change IP address. And that is default. I don't remember it's 55 or 00. Let me check it again. Okay, 55, not 0. Let me change it. Okay. So, number 14. Can you tell me the IP address of Wi-Fi interface of Raspberry number 2? Yeah. Wi-Fi interface. Wi-Fi interface have to communicate to GoPro, right? Should be the same network or different network? The same, okay, then if the IP address, one IP address, 10 Wi-Fi, and the last one, no, you kind of game, you have to think. If you, what is your name? Profit if another name is profit when I call, what happened? Tomato, right? The name is duplicate, right? So how to separate duplicate back to the last name, right? Okay. So you can use the same name, right? Okay, I can read the same. Select one. Okay. And subject matter. The same, right? 24. Okay. And gateway of this one. gateway of the GoPro. Gateway is the door outdoor to go out. Yeah, the door, the outdoor to go out, like indoor. 10.5.5.7. Why is it 7? 11 as well, right? 7 and 11. What? Okay, again. 10.5.5.8. Okay, good. Everyone get that? IP net, IP subnet mark gateway. Okay? I have to start from GoPro because when we buy GoPro we cannot change it. Okay? So, okay, give me one more. Okay, we have another one in the internet, right? Okay. Can you give IP address? 10.5. Yeah, tell any. What you want? Which number? Again, I didn't know.
0.6.9.
0.6.9. Okay, select. Now enter before easier. Easy. Okay. Okay. Different network, right? This one and this one different network ID, right? This what is the network ID? This one? 10.5.5.0. Good. This one? 10.5.5.0, right? And this one? 10.5.6.0. Good. This one. Okay. Let's go. 80. Who is 80? 80. Okay.
80, not 90.
Okay. Your friend give the IP address gave the IP address already. Can you give the IP address of internet connection of the ratify one internet connection IP address? Can you give the number? 10, right? 5. Why you select 7? Why you choose 7? Because this one internet, right? And this one internet is the same network, right? So you have to use the same network again, right? So 10.5.6 and 5. 5.7 select 24. Okay. And can you give the IP address of Wi-Fi interface? Can you give IP address? Can you first you have to think in the same network ID or different network ID, okay? The same or different from this one and this one. The same or different? Different, okay. In different, so you can select whatever you want because in private network, not public network. You use in your house or in your home. You can select whatever you want. Okay. Select one. 10. 5 select 94. And how about router? What is the number? Then point 5 point. You see router want to if router communicate to rectifier, it communicate directly, right? Not pass any router, right? So it should be the same network or different network. Same. Okay. So just tell. Easy, huh? If you know. It's the same with this one, right? Why two? 72, right? Okay, sit down. Okay, let me see it. Let me see this one. So another problem is when the router before we go further, everyone can you turn the hotspot, turn on the hotspot, okay? Your phone and let your friend connect to your hotspot and see the IP address and subnet and gateway of your friend phone, okay? You understand that? Turn one person turn hotspot, okay? And another person connect to your phone, okay? And see the IP parameter in your friend person, your friend phone. Okay, everyone do it.
Interface.
ทำไมอ่ะ What happened?
Let me ask or yeah.
อันนี้ก็ connect นะ
23,
ไฟ
which 23? Okay, tell me your network ID, your
network ID
okay. Okay, your password.
router IP address
Okay. Tell me. Yeah, read it and tell me.
best
No, read it. No, read it. What I asked.
what about you oh you share
OS
file
home
you connect
request. Okay, you know that, right? Okay. Tell me. Okay. Whose phone? Okay. See your phone. What is your brand? Samsung is mean Android, right? Right? Okay. ID address.
Angela this one ก็ also 00 right
ใช่ 0 also
And March.
address
I cannot
อันนี้ new one ก็อันนี้
อ๋อ
R2
อันนี้ new one โอเค
ต่อไปก็อะไรนะ
you can do like this okay IP address where's IP address
Okay. And okay. Who connect?
Sharp, yeah.
Show me. Yeah, you are. Okay. Tell me your OS phone. No. I asked this guy. Wait. Okay. iOS, right? Okay, iOS. Okay. Tell me your IP address. You get.
okay
เดี๋ยวนะ
Ten, right?
address
oh
need to change
shoot oh stupid okay I forgot
No. You connect to her hotspot, not connect to KUWin. Yeah. No, you cannot get 10.
so okay so
You go back. Let me see. Okay, and go this item.
Okay.
Let me see.
No shut down.
Okay, not 64, 54, 54. Okay, that's correct. Okay. In I thought it's 64. In 64 it means network ID of KU. Okay, 54, right? Okay. Next. 54. 47.
ต้องเราไหม
Okay, mass. 255. 255. 255. 0. Okay, gateway.
we need to calculate gateway ไหม we need to calculate gateway ไหม
It's
Okay.
easy to calculate.
So, this is plan, right? And how about this one? IP address.
I don't know. I don't know what the fuck
Let us
is
see
behind.
your phone and your
this
friend
not have
phone.
the gateway อันนี้ router อันนี้ mesh อันนี้ IP address just this อันนี้ maybe like
Okay, I need router. So this is your gateway. This one is IP, and this one is mask. So my router.
maybe
Go ahead, go ahead.
Changed.
Why not 47? 47 is your phone, right? Why the same? Can't be the same. Can't be the same.
Okay. And now,
road
road. Yeah.
Road.
You know what does road mean?
Let me
router
Road. The word road.
is similar like router ไหม แปลว่า
ใช่
อ๋อ อ๋อ นึกว่า root
Not random word.
it's similar like root ใช่ไหม root root way อะ road โอเค ไม่เป็นไร
Okay. Now.
see that
Okay. Now we need to IP road. Okay. Okay.
อันนี้ this one ทำหรือยัง
IP road. We need to get
01
to
วิดีโอ01 yeah
Yes.
You understand it?
Everything already.
Okay, okay. When you turn on the hotspot, you cannot see the IP, huh? And can you know that? Can you know the IP? If you cannot see in your phone, can you know IP, right? How can you know? Because this machine is your gateway, right? Gateway of this machine, right? You know that? So if we need IP address, we have long to read.
I'm stupid.
ใช่เหรอ
You understand that? And the submit mark is the same. Okay? And the gateway is some phone can do, some phone can have look or not depending on the OS. Okay. The gateway in the network, the identity of the cellular network. Okay, can you see this? Okay. Can I ask you, can you change this one in your phone? Can you change? Can you change? Can or not? At the hotspot, can you set the network ID? Go and check it. iPhone you cannot for sure, but Android maybe. I'm not sure. And
Okay.
who use I no, wait. We don't you have to see this one. We not talk about your phone already. Okay. After we test on the phone, right? One thing we have to consider is this one. It sometimes we cannot change the internet of the router. Okay, so that one we cannot change and GoPro we cannot change. So the network, internet of the network have to decide based on the limitation. Okay. So what is your wavelength for Wi-Fi interface of Ratiban? Wi-Fi?
ฝรั่ง I think I have already ยะลา
Wi-Fi and Sademat.
maybe
74 gateway.
You don't need to understand that much. Bingo. For the first part, you need to understand what the fuck is this, how to use mask, and what is network ID. This is
Wi-Fi 2.
you need just basics, not GN3. Using GN3 is not that hard. You see, you add this, you add this, you connect. If you don't understand the basics, you don't need to know how to connect them.
You see,
So you need basics of Internet of Things, not GNS.
you have two ways to go. If you want to go to internet, you go to internet.
okay I
Okay?
have
And if you want to go
like
to
if I want to find
GoPro, you go
mask
to this way.
how to find
So what
here
gateway?
and console
Yes.
and show mask like this
What?
1 point.
and searching
One.
show mask นี่เหรอ
Okay, 1.1. This is called default gateway. Okay? Default gateway.
Mask.
And another network you have to add.
how to
Routing you
Use
have to
mask
add to
already.
the network.
The mask is 255.
Okay? So let me draw new network diagram.
You know mask of
Okay,
24.
done.
24 is a mask. It tells you.
that teacher calculate for us right
Yes.
24 but
24 is a mask already.
if have another IP so how to calculate max
If you have another IP, you will put IP here first. You will need to know your mask before you go to PC1 or PC2. You need to know your mask on your own. Without this GNS3, it doesn't help you with this.
เฮ้ย
That's what I'm.
ยากอะ why so hard
Because you need to understand IP logic first, not GNS3. It's useless if you don't understand IP bingo.
Okay, let me draw another picture. Yes. You see, from the internet, go to the router, go to switch, go to access point, and that is server. This is one group in one device called wireless router. Okay, it's called wireless router. Okay, and in your home or in your office. Okay, so this is pi 1, and this one pi 2, and this one GoPro. So when we assign the IP address, we assign this one 10.5.5.9/24. Gateway is 10.5.5.8. And this interface, we assign IP address 10.5.5.8/24. And this one, we add IP address 1.9. 1.9, okay. Okay, what is the server IP address? 23.
So,
23.
what do you
Okay,
understand
then-
and what you don't understand?
And tell me the IP address and gateway of server. Louder. If you cannot speak louder, you have to take the mask out. Okay, tell me. 192. 168. Why? For 168 and point 2, right? And point 2 again. And select. Why you select which one? Why you select which one?
Understand what you understand and don't understand. Just ask me, okay?
Okay. You have no reason. Okay. Stand up. Okay, number 4. Which number 4? Okay, tell me what number, what area you think? For the server. The same or not? No. Tell me 1.192. Point 1? Point 2? Point 2, right? Can you do that? You answer one. Point 1. No, the idea of server. Okay, wait. Number 8. Okay, what number? Idea of server, right? Wait.
จะล่าฮีรันดอม
70. Idea of server.
You're so lucky นะ today อ่ะ but me
Sorry, but tell me the IP address of server. You can assign one. Server means one. Means one server.
Is that a switch? Is that a switch?
Yeah, you can select one number. Which number? Which address? You which one?
Service connected to which one thing?
This one?
Yeah.
This switch. Switch this one like this one.
I think 196.168
Select one. See. Why don't you use why don't you select 1 and 2 like your friend?
or maybe not one because we already have that. So maybe two.
Yeah.
Maybe two.
Okay, you understand it? You cannot select 1.2 and 1.1 because 1.1 belong to the router already. Okay? And 1.2 belong to the pi 1 already, right? So you can select 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until 254. Okay, you understand it? Okay, sit down. Please sit down. Okay. Okay, from this one, I draw in GNS3 and we take again, right?
What's that like that?
Yeah.
network topology. Otherwise, you have to work on. We have one finally more.
Oh my god. Okay, so to make it easy, I'll show you the letters. This one easy, okay. This one is another letter, then this one, and this one. Here, like this. What is this?
W มันไม่ใช่ W
รัสเซียไม่มี W
maybe new Oi is it safe is it can save right now
Yeah, you can save it.
Oiไม่อันนี้กันโอเค yes โอเคอันนี้แล้วก็เซฟก็คอนเน็กอย่างนี้ แล้วก็เซฟปะเซฟยังไงคอนโทรลเซฟใช่ไหมฮะ
Last almost finished.
ไหนอะ yeah what sorryแองเจล่า my project is not safe อ่ะเนี่ยมันไม่โชว์อ่ะ Present ไม่ใช่ number 9 อันนี้ is called number 9 project 2เดี๋ยว and save project as ใช่ไหม and project 2 J3 project 2
Okay, let me have a look at one.
Oh, it's open.
The left hand side is GoPro, right?
ยังไงอ่ะ It's save already เหรอ Then what happened? Go. Like this?
Okay. Let me ask someone again. Yeah. You check, you follow me. Ask somebody. Okay, tell me the happy rate of GoPro. 10.5.5.9/24, right? Gateway. Then 0.5.5.8, right? And for this one, 0.5.8, right? Okay. And other side, this one. Okay. 2.1. Okay. And this one? 1.1? Yeah, and so this one should be. Oh no, sorry. 168. point two, right? And this also 1.3, yeah? Okay. Okay, please sit down. And this one, the rest of internet, huh? Okay. Okay, so let me ask somebody else. Yeah.
ฝรั่งตัวเนี้ย this one how to
Okay, how many network in the
Which one?
inside network?
Oh,
How many
wait,
network?
wait, wait, wait. Oh,
How many network inside here, outside the internet?
I think it's this one.
อะไรอ่ะ
It's our Linux.
how to find it here
number 91.
91
How many network?
mine why cannot
Why cannot?
I don't know why cannot 91
No, you think by yourself. Not answer.
I don't know.
Otherwise you cannot remember. Think by yourself.
internet pc1
Only inside network. You see the router. The network ID is the number of interface of the router. Okay. How many number of interface? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the interface is the same, no router between the interface, count only one. So this one you count one, okay? And this one you same, right? Because no router between. So another one, and this one. So how many network? 3, yeah. Everyone can count the number of network.
how do you get it
Okay, the first network ID.
this
Tell me.
I just have it here.
Network ID. One. Oh no, come on, man. Then you can read it. 5. No, that's the main rate. You have to use that. Network ID is IP rate and subnet mark, right? IP rate and with subnet mark. Yeah, 0, yes. Okay, another one. Even? Network ID, what is network ID? No. You think by yourself, you see and think by yourself. You don't listen to your friend. Sometimes your friend will tell you your wrong answer. Okay. No. You see the idea right here, and you end with the subnet mark, right? So subnet mark is 2.5 and 0, right? So what is the network ID? And about this one? 3.3. Is correct?
this is
You have a
your
don't listen to your
you do
friend.
it you
Tell
write
the wrong answer.
It's my Minecraft.
No, you see again.
Why my Trump is not working?
You write it down again and otherwise you cannot understand.
Because it's
You never
called
understand the-
number 91, not I love.
So when you okay, tell me how you calculate the net organic. Okay, net organic first. Tell me. You have to think by yourself or you have to remember by yourself. If you every day, every time you listen to your friend, you get trouble. Okay, how to calculate net organic? IBS and with subject matter. Okay, so come to okay, see. Okay, read the idea of this network. Which one? Select one. Anyone. Okay, remember that, right? Okay. Tell me. IBS rate. No, you take your photo. Take photo. Otherwise you cannot remember. Okay, take photo. Okay, take photo and have a look at your photo. Okay, ready? Okay, tell me. One idea rate of the network. It's okay. 1.2, right? Okay, and subject matter. Zero and why you get it? How you know? Get that one.
It should be true.
That means you never understand how to calculate and you never think how to calculate. You remember this one? Okay. Anything and with one
Our senior is coming. Our senior is coming.
okay. So anything x and 1 is equal to x, right? You remember that? So 192 and with 555 and with 1, so it should get 192, right? You remember that? Okay, and right? So say if you add 1 and 0, what you get? 0, right? Yeah. You remember this one, so you can easy to calculate. So come back to this one. So what number you get? 1 is this one or 1, right? Okay, and 0. You have to remember this one. So go back to this one. You what you get? Network ID. No. For this network, you get you mean okay? It should be 1.0, right? 1.0. Okay, sit down. Okay, everyone get the network ID and IP address. So your work have to do for this job to configure everything to communicate in this network. Okay, so please assign one more IP here. Okay. So in this library, I would like to teach you about gateway. And another one is called default gateway. AULT. Okay. Okay. You have a look on the file one. Okay. When one if you in the file one, okay. File one. You have to add root. When you config IP, this IP, right? And this IP. Okay? You follow me that, right? Okay. After that, you have to add root one. You have to add. Okay, for the first thing, config /0/0 and config interface /0/1. Can you do that, right? Okay, this is the first thing you have to do. And next, you have to add IP root. You have to add network ID one network. You have to add all. You have to add network 10.5 and you have to add default root, means that 3.0 or default root in the internet. So you have to add first you have to add 10.5.5.0. And we are the forward router address. Right now we are pi 1, right? So when we want to go to this network, we have to pass this one, right? Okay? So everyone get that? Okay. Okay, number one. Okay. Can you tell me how to add the network? We are pi 1, okay? So if you understand how to do one router, you can do for every router. Okay, can you tell me?
Which one?
This network. Because we have this network already, right? After we config this one, and we get this network. After we config this one, and we already add this one already, this number 3, right? Number 4. Zero, right? Yeah, and we are forward router address 1.1, right? Okay, everyone get it? 1.1 is mean when we want to go this one, we go here. Okay, you understand that? Okay? Okay, sit down. Okay. Number 2. Okay, Shai. This one is internet, right? Internet. It means many network ID, right? More than 1 million or I don't know how many. Okay. So can you add in the router? Can you add this one? You add more? If you add, you have to add more than 1 million commands, right? So it waste your time, right? Waste your time, waste your router. What you should do, you should use the forward router. It's called default gateway. Default gateway or default route. You do different. This This called default root. Okay, you understand that, everyone? In default root, because if we add this one, we get the root for 2.0, right? This one we get the root for 1.0, and this one we get the root for 5.0, and this one the rest of the network go to this interface. It's called default root. Like we are here and we want to go to the north of Thailand, we go to Bangkok. Okay. If we go to Rayong, we cannot go to the north, right? Okay. Sit down, Chan. Okay. Can anyone want to ask about gateway and default gateway or default routes? Anyone? Yes, ask. Cái này nó đâu?ส่วนที่เหลือคือเน็ตเวิร์กมันในอินเทอร์เน็ตมันเป็นล้านเราไม่สามารถแอดล้านบรรทัดได้เข้าใจป่ะเพราะเราแอดส่วนที่เหลือเหมือนอาณาลูกตู้เราจะเขียนว่าไประยองไปพัทยาไปชัยนาทแล้วก็ไปฉะเชิงเทราแล้วไปกรุงเทพเราจะไม่เขียนทุกประเทศทั้ง70ได้มันไม่มีพื้นที่ให้เขียนว่าเราเขียนว่าไปกรุงเทพมาถ้าคุณจะไปภาคเหนือคุณต้องขึ้นรถกรุงเทพใช่ไหมแค่นั้นOkay, anyone want to ask about the default gateway or default route? So if you don't understand. Okay, let me see this one. If we configure this one, right? This one we get the network ID for for 192.168 and okay. And this one for 10, and this one we get the network for 0.5. And for the default route, for this one, actually we want to go to any network in the rate of the network. Go to any network. You understand the rest of the network. So you see, okay. If anyone who not here, we check another one. Okay, come back to this. Okay, go to this. Okay, let's see the router. At the router. At the router. At the router, if see the router, so you see it. We configure this one, we get the network ID 10. And this one we get 30, and this one we have to add for 1.2. And we have to add another one. Let me move it down. Okay. This one we add, and another one is okay. What is the network? We have to add more. What more network? What is? Okay, let me ask someone. We have one more. Okay, 10 minutes more. Number 6. Who is number 6?
พัฒนวิทย์ค่ะ
Number 6. Mr. Nathan. Okay. When we configure interface fast 0/0, we got it network, right? We got it network, and we configure fast 0/1. We got it one, get it one, okay? And we add read root from router pass through this one, okay? And number 4, what network we have to add? Tell the number. Tell the IPS network ID. Number 4. Okay. Because I need number 1, number 2, number 3 already. Okay, you count the number, count the network ID. Network IDs. This one you got 150, right? 350, and this one you got 550, right? And what else you have to get to add one more network, you see? Okay, you read the network ID. Okay. Read the network ID. Network ID read. You have to follow up. Okay, read it. See my map? This one. And this one. This one, what is network ID? This one. Okay. 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 And this one you get already, right? And this one, oh, okay. This one I should not have. Okay. This one, okay. This one, okay. And this one is not appear in this room. What? You see the network ID. See the network ID here. You got 150, right? Okay, you got 350, 550, and which one you that it doesn't have here? Huh? One 50. You have this one already. Two 50, right? Okay, you have to add this one, right? Okay. You don't have that. If you think, okay. Please think and try to understand. If you don't, I cannot teach you. Okay, so then much. Okay, and the forward router. What is the forward router? Why you think you 251? Well, which router you which router you configure right now? Pi1, Pi2 or router? You are in router, right? You are in router, right? Okay. if you want to go to the NIC network, you have to go from NIC, right? Go NIC. Why one? You want to go to NIC network, right? No. You listen and try to understand. You are here, right? If you want to go to this one, you have to go from this to this, right? And one router has to forward the packet for you. You have a new line gateway. Have to be this one for you. What point you understand it? Understand? Really? Sure. This one you what network you get? For this one, what network you get? After you add this root, what network you get? You see the command you add network, that network you get 1.192.168 and 250. So you get all network, right? All network, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In all network, right? Okay. So if you want to add this one, if actually in the real network, this one go to the internet. So you have to add one more. This one go to, I'm not sure, something like that. Yeah, something like this. If we have another router here, you understand that? Okay, go back to this one. Okay, okay. Anyone have any question? You have to do another job and submit the beginning of the next class. You take a photo and if you don't understand, you can ask me via the MS chat. Should be okay.
อาจารย์ไม่เอาดีกว่าจะเลิกคาดแล้วอ่ะ Do you think this is okay if I ask you?
About what?
I don't want to connect this one.
So you have to connect in the GoPro, right? In the ubuntu, right? And in the file 1, file 2, and so we do not need to connect anything, and router, and PC, simulated PC, or internet PC, right? And
I think you should ask.
GoPro.
Yeah.
Okay, sit down. Okay.
อาจารย์
Yes.
I cannot connect the server. เดี๋ยวค่ะ
So if you have to go to setting this one,
Okay.
go to setting,
May
and go to the network,
this one.
and do select not access. Not access, and don't forget to tick the connect cable connected. Two things you have to do. If you select this one line and net or something else, you cannot use in EN3. Okay, you have to select not attached. Okay. Okay, today enough. So